You can drink green juice, skip carbs, or try the latest fad diet. But if you miss this one rule, you'll never lose fat. Understand the rule. A calorie deficit simply means burning more calories than you eat. It's the only scientifically proven way to lose body fat. No shortcuts, no magic pills. Find your maintenance. Use any free online TDEE calculator to find how many calories your body burns daily just to stay alive and move around. Create the deficit. Eat about 300-500 fewer calories than your maintenance level. It's enough to lose fat steadily without feeling deprived or tired. Prioritize protein. Eat more lean protein. It helps preserve muscle while in a deficit and keeps you full longer. Think chicken breast, eggs, tofu, or Greek yogurt. Load up on volume foods. Choose low-calorie, high-volume foods like vegetables, fruits, and broth-based soups. They trick your brain into feeling full. Don't starve yourself. Going too low in calories slows your metabolism and increases cravings. Sustainability beats suffering every time. Track progress. Smartly, use weekly averages, not daily fluctuations. Weight can vary due to water, hormones, and sodium. Look for the trend, not the day-to-day changes. Remember, fat loss isn't about eating less, it's about eating right for your goal. Stay consistent, and your body will do the rest. Follow for more science-based nutrition strategies that actually work. No gimmicks, no starvation, just results.